Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Peake Solar Post Cap light. Let's get going. Now in the box we have the light with the solar panel integrated into it, and you'll find the screws you need taped to the bottom of the light. Then we have the instructions and two different bottoms for the light, making sure that it can adapt to fit posts both 3 and 4 inches wide. So there's two ways that you can install this light. If you have a 3-inch post, it is the smaller fitting which you pop into place like so and line up the screws with the holes to screw into place. Alternatively, if you're looking to fit this onto a 4-inch post, you grab the larger adjustment. So all you do is line these two holes up, slot it into place, and then screw 1, 2, 3, 4 of the screws into place over the post like so. So here's how you turn on the light. The unit unscrews like so. You take the tab out of the rechargeable battery. This rechargeable battery is replaceable and is a 1.2 AA battery. And after you've pulled that tag out, all you have to do is pop it back into place, and as soon as it gets dark, your solar post cap will come on. This gorgeous light will turn on automatically once it gets dark and turn itself back off as soon as it detects daylight and begin charging. That's because the solar panel has a dusk sensor, means all it's waiting for is darkness to turn on and light to turn back off. And when it does turn on, you get 12 lumens of beautiful warm white illumination. This light is ideal for fence posts, decking posts, and verandas. The finish is this beautiful anthracite grey, and this is how it comes. There is no mains cables that you need to install. It is 100% solar powered. It can be installed in seconds and moved around too. And this light is also great for any static home, cabin or caravan that has a decking. If you have any questions about this product or any of the products that we do, please just comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and this light, and we will see you on the next one.